A Ramjet is a type of air-breathing jet engine that operates on the principle of supersonic combustion. It is a simple and lightweight engine that does not have any moving parts, such as a compressor or turbine. Instead, it relies on the forward motion of the aircraft to compress incoming air. Here's how a Ramjet engine works. Inlet. The Ramjet engine has a streamlined inlet that slows down and compresses incoming air. The high-speed motion of the aircraft forces the air into the inlet. Combustion chamber. The compressed air enters the combustion chamber, where fuel is injected and ignited. The combustion occurs at supersonic speeds due to the high velocity of the incoming air. Nozzle. As the fuel-air mixture combusts, it expands rapidly, creating high-pressure and high-temperature gases. These gases are accelerated through a converging-diverging nozzle at the rear of the engine, creating thrust. Supersonic combustion. Unlike other jet engines, the combustion process in a Ramjet engine takes place at supersonic speeds. The supersonic airflow in the combustion chamber allows for efficient combustion without the need for complex compressor and turbine stages. Ignition and sustenance. Unlike traditional jet engines, a Ramjet engine cannot self-start or operate at low speeds. It requires an external ignition source, such as a solid rocket booster or an auxiliary power unit, APU, to initiate combustion. Once ignited, the Ramjet engine can sustain combustion as long as there is a continuous supply of compressed air. It's important to note that Ramjets are most efficient at high speeds and altitudes where the incoming air can be efficiently compressed. They are typically used in applications such as high-speed missiles, where the high-speed motion of the vehicle provides the necessary compression for the engine to operate effectively. Ramjets have limited or no thrust at low speeds and are not suitable for takeoff or low-speed flight.